Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable nightlight on Microsoft Surface 5. To do this, first you can click on the Wi-Fi sign and sound and battery right here. Then you should be able to find the nightlight that you can activate or deactivate. If not, you can click on the pen button to add different icons, and there should be a nightlight here somewhere as well. Now the other option is to click on your start, navigate to the settings, then open system, go for a display, and here you'll be able to find the nightlight. You can activate it or deactivate it. And you can also customize the settings for the nightlight by clicking on the arrow next to it. Then you can adjust your strength for that nightlight mode. Also, we can schedule it for a certain time of day or night with set hours, or from sunset to sunrise if you're connected to the internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.